Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The program for today is find the extra element between the two array. For example, consider this two array, its first array size and its second array size. Okay, these are the elements in the first array and these are these elements in the second array. We have to find that one extra element will be there in the first array. Okay, here the extra element is 9. 9 is not in the second array. Okay, we have to find that that is the element which is extra and its position, sorry, and its index is 0 1 2 3 4, so it will return 4 and this is the extra element. Okay, hope you understand the problem. Shall we begin with the solution? As usual, we get input from the user using scanner class. Okay, here I mentioned the first array size it's 7 and second array size it's 6. Okay, I declare an array of size 7 error and of size 6, the array name is error 2. I get input from the user. For I is equal to 0, the same element I will get here. Okay, so error of 0, for I is equal to 0, error of 0 is for this, then so for I is equal to 0, it will get input 2. For I is equal to 1, 4. For I is equal to 2 is 6. I is equal to 3 is 8. I is equal to 4 is 9. I is equal to 5. It's 10. For I is equal to 6. It's 12. Likewise, the element gets stored in the first array. The same process, it's a J loop. It will run up to J is equal to 0, J less than 6. It will run up to here. I store the element will get from the user. The same stuff. I just copy it. Then paste it here. Okay. The only one element it's an extra, right? This what missing in the second array. So 3, it's 4, it's 5. So the element will get stored in this manner in the second array. After that, I declare an array list, okay, of integer data type. Now I have to find that the element is present in the array list or not. Okay, for that I convert the second array elements that store it in the array list. Okay, for that I declare an for loop which will run up to I is equal to 0, I less than I num2, which is 6. So array list dot get al dot add of 0. Okay, so add of 0 is equal to ARR of 0 is what? 2. Okay, for al dot add of the same stuff will repeat right here also. So I just copy paste the input. Okay, for I is equal to 0, al dot add of 2. For I is equal to 1, just finish it off. So I is equal to 0, it's 2, 1, it's 4. For I is equal to 2, it will add here A or 2 of 0. Okay. So ARR 2 of 1, which is 4. Here ARR of 2 of 2. So here ARR of, which is 8. Then for I is equal to 4, which is 10. Then for I is equal to 5, which is 12. Likewise, the element will get stored in the array list. After that, I iterate another loop which will check the element. Okay, it will run up to I is equal to 0, I less than 7. Okay, so it check that AL dot contains of AR of 0. So not contains. So AL dot contains of AR of I. Now AR of I, which is 0, right? So AR of 0, I iterate this array. Okay. So for AR of 0, which is 2, right? So 2 is present in the array list or not? Yeah, it's present in our array list. So I will get incremented to 1. It check these 4. 4 is present in the array list. Yeah, it is also present. Then I will get incremented to 2. Error of 2 is 6. 6 is present in the array list. Yeah, it's here. It is also present. So it's not satisfy the condition, right? So I will get incremented 3. Now 3 is 8. Uh, 8 is present in the array list. Yeah. So I will get incremented to 4. Then 4, which is 9. 9 is present in the array list. No. It's so satisfy the condition, it's not present in the array list. So it will, I initialize int A is equal to 0. The A will store here array. Okay. A will store 9. Okay. Now we find the element. 9 is our extra element. Then it will come here 5. For 5, 10, 10 is present in the array list. Then 6, 12, 12 is also present in the array list. So it will come outside the loop. Okay. Now we know that extra elements is 9. We have to find its index position. For that, again, I iterate a loop. It will run up to I is equal to 0, I less than 7. For I is equal to 0, 9 is equal to 2. The condition false. So I will get incremented to 1. 9 is equal to 4. The condition false. I will get incremented to 2. 9 is equal to 6. The condition false. Then 9 is equal to 3. I is equal to 3, right? 3, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 8. 9 is equal to 8. No, the condition false. So I will get incremented to 4. Now 9 is equal to 9 as the condition true. So we have to print the extra element is A which is 9. Then the index is I, which is I value is 4. So it will print here 9 and 4. So shall we check our output? I copy the same input, Control C. So it will print the extra element is 9, its index is 4. We get our expected output. Yeah, that's all for today. Hope you understand the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Thank you.